Hello friends, as I committed I will start from very much basic. What I will do, I will go ahead and I will launch a Linux host in Azure cloud platform, and then what I will do, we will go ahead and we will install Ansible in that. For installing the Ansible, there are few requirement of Ansible too as well in the backend, so it will be installed by the Ansible automatically, so I don't have to do anything manually. So what we will do, we will go ahead and we will launch a instance in Azure. Let's start. So let's go to the Azure and open portal dot. Let's see if I have it open. Yeah, it's open. Yeah, it is. So let's go ahead and launch a VM. So let me use Linux. I'm in favor of RHEL 7.5. Let's use RHEL 7. 7.2, so that will be good enough for us. Alright, so use this only. We need to use our correct resource group. If you're not aware about the resource group, then you need to dig in more. Virtual machine name, so Ansible demo. Okay, I will be launching it into the Western area, and then restore parameters I will try to keep default. Let me change it to single VM, single vCPU, and that's it. It should be good enough. I need to use the password, so I need to use the Cisco 1234. I cannot tell you the password right now. This is Cisco 1234. Cisco, this is the password I chose. And then use the SSH from outside. Then standard SSD is okay. Let's go ahead with the networking, and then this is a network, and a public subnet one is there, so I will use that only. I'll use one public IP, new one, and go ahead with the management. This is default, I need to keep in tags, and then review and create. So validation is passed, and let's click on create. So as you can see, this VM is going to charge me 1.3219 INR per hour. INR means Indian National Rupees, if I'm not wrong. So which will take some time to get launched. So let me pause the video, and then we will be back once it is up. Alright, so my VM has been created now. So let's go ahead and log into it. Copy it. Oh, what's wrong? Copy it to clipboard and then paste it here. This doesn't work. Alright, so I'm in. So the first thing we need to do is become a root user. So if this video is for networking guys, then I'm guessing most of the people are not very much familiar with the Linux. So if you want to install something in Linux, then you need Windows administrator account kind of stuff. So Windows administrator kind of user is root in case of Linux. So what I have done, I have tried to become a administrator, Windows administrator kind of privileges. So now I am admin, to be said in the terminology of the Windows. So this is root user, which is equivalent to administrator and in case of the Windows. So now I am root and I am inside the Linux host. So let's install Ansible. One more thing, what I wanted to do is update the Linux OS. So all the patches can be installed to this box because this is publicly available on the public IP address. So I don't want any hacker to give an invitation and have him log it into my system. So what I will do, once this installation has been completed, I will go ahead and I will run yum update -y to install the latest update, and then I will install them. Thank you. So meanwhile, I'm going to pause this video, and once the update has been done, then we will come back and we will have a look on this once again. Thank you.